Ayan, magandang araw sa inyo mga kapatid. Ayan, si Kuya Fredo ninyo. So, tara. At may pupuntahan tayong isang kainan sa may Southampton. Bago lang siya eh. Bago lang siya na kainan. So, syempre, pupuntahan natin yan. Wala pa yung mag-ina ko eh. May pinuntahan lang sila. Tapos, tayo natin sa labas. Nag-message na yung anak kong panganay. Sabi niya na pupunta na raw sila. Pauwi na sila. So, antayin natin. Pero gagamitin natin yung sasakyan ko. So, yun mga kapatid. Inaantay lang natin si Missy saka yung mga bata. Ayun. Yung sasakyan ko nandun. Nakapark dun. Antayin lang natin sila. On the way na raw eh. Magpapalit kami ng sasakyan. Yung sasakyan ko yung gagamitin kasi medyo malayo yung Southampton sa lugar namin. Ito yung lugar namin mga kapatid. Oh. Ayan. Ganda, di ba? Tahimik yung community namin. Si Kuya Fredo nyo lang ang maingay. Si Kuya Fredo nyo lang maingay. So ayun mga batid, yung ginagamit nating camera, yung DJI Action 6 saka yung DJI Mini Mic. Yan ang gamit natin ngayon pang vlog. Ito yung gagamitin natin pang araw-araw na vlog. Ayan na ang aking mag-ina. Ayan na sila. Ayan, ayan. Hello anak. Let's go.
Where are we going?
Basta, come here na. Let's go, we'll use my car. Let's go. How's the party?
Good.
Ah, good,
Where are we
good.
going?
So ayan, nandito na kami ngayon sa Southampton mga parit ng aking pamilya. Ayan. Station, si Mami, si Sophia. So ayan. Punta namin yung bagong restaurant dito na Pan Asia sa may Southampton. Salamat nga pala sa Tito Ken and Friends. Ayan. Sa napaka-astig na sombrero. Maraming ano. So dito kami ngayon, Southampton. Ayan. Southampton mga kapatid. Punta namin yung bagong restaurant dito na matatagpuan sa The Marlands. Ganda ng panahon. Sobrang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Dali. Oh, dali. Dali. Let's go. So ito yung bagong restaurant ngayon dito sa Southampton. Sarado ba to? Oh, bukas. Binuksan. Ayan, dahil linggo na ngayon mga kapatid. Linggo siya ngayon. Wala masyadong tao. Walang tao. We're the only one in here. Yes, babe?
Huh?
What?
I didn't say nothing. I was talking to Station.
Station, do not step on the line.
Walang tao.
You can only step
Sarado na. Ganito dito sa tuwing linggo mga kapatid.
only step
Sarado na.
but not
Station look ko.
lava. You step on
Marble merchandise. Sarado na kasi. Wala naman na makapunta. Sarado na. So here we are sa Pan Asia Plaza. Yun. So what we're gonna try? Look, this is what we're gonna do.
station.
Ayan. Bagong restaurant sa Southampton.
I'm thinking the mushroom one because I don't know. chicken on a bone. Change.
So we're choosing the broth. I got 4. So ayan. Pasok na. So ayan, dito kami sa loob. Pasok na. At antay muna kami. Look at this decoration. Pepper. So ayan, mami. First time. Hot pot. Hot pot kami. Like it. And the kids will love it. Huh? Dito kami sa Pan Asia, Southampton. Ayan. Ayan. Dito kami. Ah.
I will bring the hot pot.
Oh, could you please tell me which one?
So he has this one.
Tom yum for me.
I've got this one, and then the chicken.
The two
is for
chicken
the
broth.
children. Yeah.
Ready? Ready? Do barbecue. And so, and Sophia, are you going to cook your food? Are you going to cook your food? Okay. Ang daming meat mga kapatid. Sobra. Ito pa. Marinated meat. Sarap. Sila mga seafoods mga kapatid. Seafoods and different sauces in here. Oh, sarap. At meron din sila mga squid balls, kikiams. And panalo. Yung mga noodles din sila. Ayan. As smash as you can.
Huh?
Just get. Ayan si Mami.
This is beef.
Yep.
What else do you want?
There's some more there. And then sausage. Yes, get steak. You can get as many as you can. So, try natin to, yung marinated. Yun. Mommy, what do you get?
I got noodles, garlic, and spring onion. She wants
Ay,
crab
no,
sticks.
Ayan na.
Yeah.
So,
Ask
Mommy.
them for some more then, because they might have run out. I did get the last one. Is it this
Naghahanap ng
noodle?
noodles yung anak ko.
Yeah, is it this one? It was at the back. Is there any there? Yeah, at the back. Right, ask them then. So have you got any more noodles? This noodle. Babe, watch her.
Tingnan natin to. Ang lalaki ng mga tahong nila. Yes! Ayun, ang lalaki ng tahong nila mga kapatid. Panalo to. Panalo! Yes. Yan si Mami magluluto. Ay, Mami. Okay, Mami. Sophia, are you cooking? Yan yun, anak. Get the pork barbecue in there. Come on. Yes. So, yun, ginanahan masyado yung anak ko. Ooh. Tastes nice. Mommy, how is it? Nag-enjoy yung aking pamilya. Is it nice, Sophia?
Daddy, can you help me cook the beef roll?
That's
Daddy,
good.
can you help me with the beef roll?
It's fine. Just need to cook a little bit. Let me see. She knows how to cook na.
Is this good?
Not yet, a little bit.
For how long?
Ooh. A little bit more, Sophia.
Have you turned the cookie down? Right, you need to put it on there.
So ayan mga kapatid, round 2 tayo. Ayan, kita nyo naman. Naglagay tayo ng hipon.
I didn't touch it.
Hipon,
Mama,
kimchi.
I didn't touch it. Just splash that.
It's too high. Turn it down.
Enjoy, enjoy. Sunday after church. Ayan, kami na aking pamilya kain-kain. Ayan, panalo tong mga sugpo nila mga kapatid. Ang laki. Ang laki ng mga sugpo nila. Yes! So mommy, how is it? How's the food? Mommy,
Sorry.
how's the food?
Good.
Are you having fun or enjoying it?
Nice. It's better than the other places we've been to.
That's good. At least nag-enjoy. And you? How's the food?
Amazing.
How's the food? Young girl? Hindi ako magsalita. Busog eh. Round 2. Pangilang round na ba to? How many rounds? Buha tayo ng
That's round 5.
round 5 na eh. So ayan.
This is round 3.
Pusit. Pusit, pusit. Ayan. Pailing ito natin. Iyot. Magluto tayo ng pusit. Ayan. Saka tahong.
We're all done and you're still going.
Daddy, this is me.
I don't want that anymore. Ayan. I'm gonna cook
Good son and
this.
giving you the rest of my meat.
Huh?
I'm being a good son and giving you the rest of my meat.
Really?
Sit down properly.
So you're doing dessert now. Cotton candy. And you, Sophia, cotton candy rin eh, si Mami. Dessert.
What's this?
Ako hindi pa tapos eh. Nantay ko pa to. Yung aking tahong saka baby na pusit. Ayan.
Daddy. Daddy, what's this?
Enjoy, enjoy. Enjoy, enjoy mga anak ko. So, yan mga kapatid. Tapos na kami kumain dito sa Pan Asia, Southampton. Grabe. So, yun. Talagang grabe yung busog. Busog ng sobra. Did you enjoy the food, Mami? Enjoy daw ni Mrs. yung pagkain. Sarap naman kasi. Sobra. Layo nga lang sa lugar namin eh. This way. So, uwian na. So, yun. Kasama ko yung aking pamilya. Punta kaming Southampton para lang kumain. Enjoy. Enjoy, enjoy. Uy! Lamig. It's cold. May malamig ah. It's cold. T-shirt pa kasi. So, ayan oh, Southampton mga kapatid. Dito nag-ano yung Titanic eh. Titanic. And sa mga gusto po pumunta dito sa Pan Asia, Southampton, ayan. Dito lang yan sa may Marsland. Sa likod ng West Quay. So yan mga kapatid, dito rin kami park. Aking pamilya. Walking distance lang. Wait babe, I need to scan na. Yan, scan natin. Kailangan pa palang i-download. We need to download the app. What's happening?
Sophia. Get your hands up there.
Yung parking, walking distance lang siya dun. Mga 2 to 3 minutes walk lang siya.
Put it down.
Tapos yung parking, kailangan mong i-download.
What do you want me to do?
Ayan, daming parking. So, uwi na kami. So, ayun, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa aming vlog dito sa may Southampton. Sa pagdalaw namin sa Pan Asia. Sana lagi nyo kami suportahan. Kuya Fredo, salamat po.